we can retrieve all, we can retrieve one, we can create a brand new one. We want to be able to put or modify an existing record. So for instance, we would like to be able to do is pretty much what we did here in the find course by ID. Find it. Once we find it, make some modification, right? Make some update. So let's do that. Right. So let's what we want to do is the following: public course, and do some update course. You need to tell me which course you want me to update, and you need to tell me what are the new values for the course. Right, presuming a new title, how many seats are available, or when it's going to start, whatever, right? And typically what I would do is same thing I did here, right? In the course by ID, I'm just going to iterate over this, right? And as I iterate, if I do find it, is when I would do I would do the updates, right? So for instance, this is a new course. It was hiding this here. When I find it, I can do things such as course dot set title to the new title, to new course dot get title, something like that, or whatever it is that I want to be able to update and copy over. Once I do that, I can safely just return the new course having been modified, or if I didn't find it, return null. Everybody okay? Right? And but what we want to be able to do is to expose this as an endpoint, following the convention that we would use a put mapping to modify something that exists already. The prepend of the token, the noun of what we're modifying, and then the unique identifier, course ID. Why did I use user ID here? Somebody told me. Course ID, right? I want to iterate over the course, find that particular course, and then modify the title. All right, so let's try it out. Let's restart. Oh, what did I do? Oh, yeah, sorry. I was just checking on you. So here, this would be a path variable whose name is course ID, and the course we're retrieving it from the request body. All right, so let's restart. And the order doesn't matter. And the order is discovered at runtime. Yeah, so let's do this. So this create course, I'm just going to clone it. I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to call it update course. And I'm going to change. Let's see if we do a find all. Notice that I restarted the server and I lost any of the changes. Right, that's going to go away next week when we introduce databases. Let's change 4500 to 5500. So I'm gonna change 234 in the update. I'm gonna change 234, and the new body is that I'm gonna change it. 234. And I'm gonna change it to CS 5500. Right, so I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna update, and it didn't work. Oh, it's a put. Yep, it's a put. Save. I hate computers. They take everything so literally. There we go. So it looks like it changed. If I go back here, notice that it used to be 4500. If I send it again, notice that it's now 5500, and it works. Make sense? And delete would be something similar, where you would probably not return anything, void, and do a delete course, and would take as argument a path variable, and would remove the object from there and map it to delete mapping, and map it to the same thing as the put mapping, right? And that I'll leave to you. left to the reader. Okay? But basically, it's manipulating this array. Are we good? All right.